8th Bird Festival of Goa is being organized at Cotigao Wildlife Sanctuary, Konkani. It is from 17 January to 19 January 2025. The inaugural ceremony will take place on 17th at 5:30 p.m. at International Center of Goa, Donapaula, Panji. And in that, the inauguration will be done in presence of Chief Guest Viswajit P. Rane and Guest of Honor Devi Arane, Mrs. Devi Arane, Chairperson GFDC. And Viswajit P. Rane is obviously Forest Minister. And the valedictory function will happen at Cotigao Wildlife Sanctuary on 19 January around 12 p.m. And there the chief guest will be our Principal Chief Conservator of Forest. And apart from that, in Cotigao Wildlife Sanctuary, we'll organize sessions. So that will be organized at Cotigao Wildlife Sanctuary, and the food will be available for the delegates throughout the day and night. And apart from that, there are guided bird walks which will happen in morning and evening on all the 3 days, except 17th evening when the inaugural function will take place. Registration is of two types. One is festival delegate, which is for 3,500 rupees, and another is a concessionary one, which is for student delegate for 1,000 rupees. It can be done both online as well as offline. Online birdfestival.goa.gov.in, and in there is contact number mentioned. In case it's not working online, then they can contact on the contact number and do offline registration as well. All bird lovers, conservationists, photographers and tourists to join us for this exciting and informative event. Together, let's celebrate the beauty of Goa's wildlife and work towards preserving our natural heritage.